Sustainability has become a buzzword in the tire industry. We'll explore the industry's green initiatives next. The green tire industry, or tires made to be environmentally friendly, often refers to low rolling resistance tires and those made from sustainable materials. It's a fast-growing part of our industry. In fact, this segment is expected to grow 11% per year and reach $137 billion by 2023, according to Smithers Rapra data. So what makes a green or more sustainable tire? Let's dig under the surface. To achieve the lowest possible rolling resistance, tire makers often use materials such as highly dispersible silica, improved carbon black and synthetic rubber, and nanotechnology. Other sustainable materials that tire manufacturers are experimenting with include dandelion rubber and the guayuli plant, which grows in parts of Mexico and the southwestern US. The growth of sustainable tire technology comes as governments worldwide look to reduce vehicle emissions. This translates to rising fuel economy standards that not only concern car makers, but also tire manufacturers. The growth of hybrid and electric vehicles, as well as the increase in rideshare and the advent of autonomous technology, has also put a spotlight on sustainable tire technology. While it's not clear how quickly many of these greener technologies will make their way to a commercial scale, many tire makers continue to bring more sustainable practices and materials to their manufacturing. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.